नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट पर। फॉलोइंग द फेडरल रिजर्व मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी अनाउंसमेंट ऑन वेडनेसडे, all three major US indices experienced a sharp decline. The Dow extended its losing streak to a 10th consecutive session, dropping 2.6%, while the Nasdaq fell 3.6% and the S&P 500 slid 3%. The sell-off was triggered by the Fed's decision to lower interest rates by a quarter point, as anticipated, but its projection of fewer rate cuts next year than previously estimated dampened investor sentiment. The S&P 500 has slipped below its 20 and 50-day EMA level. Further, the daily RSI has slipped below the 40 mark for the first time after 93 trading sessions. Going ahead, any sustainable move below the level of 5,850 will lead to a further selling pressure in the index. For the third consecutive trading session, Brent oil ended on a negative note. Going ahead, the zone of $72.2 to $72 will act as an immediate support, while the zone of $74 to $74.5 will act as a crucial hurdle. The US dollar index has witnessed a sharp upside rally after the Fed policy. It ended above the 108 level with a gain of 1.18%. This was the highest closing since November 2022. The current chart structure indicates strong bullish momentum. Hence, we believe it is likely to test the level of 108.5 in the short term. अगर हम निफ्टी की व्यू की बात करें, तीसरे सीधे ट्रेडिंग सेशंस के लिए बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स निफ्टी ने रेड में क्लोज किया, जो पिछले 12 सेशंस के सबसे लोएस्ट क्लोज मार्क करता है. It is currently trading below its short and medium term moving averages, with both the 20-day and the 50-day EMAs trending downward. Additionally, the daily RSI is below its 9-day average and both are in declining trajectory. आगे चल के गैप डाउन ओपनिंग को कंसिडर करते हुए 23,840 टू 23,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. अगर 23,800 लेवल के नीचे सस्टेनेबल मूव होता है तो और सेलिंग प्रेशर 23,550 लेवल तक हो सकता है. उसके बाद शॉर्ट टर्म में 23,260 तक. ऊपर की तरफ रेजिस्टेंस 24,200 से 24,220 लेवल के जोन में लोअर शिफ्ट हो गया है. On the derivatives front, December futures ended lower by 0.66%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 1.42%, which indicates an overall short buildup. Among the constants of the Nifty index, only 6 stocks have witnessed long buildup, 9 stocks have witnessed short covering, 28 stocks have witnessed short buildup, and 7 stocks have witnessed long unwinding. The 24,300 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 24,400 strike. On the put side, the 24,200 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 24,100 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.38 and the max paid is at 24,250 strike, while for the December monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.85. अगर हम बैंक निफ्टी की व्यू के बारे में बात करें, वेडनेसडे को बैंक निफ्टी फ्रंटलाइन इंडाइसेस से अंडर परफॉर्म करते हुए 1.32% से गिरा. इस गिरावट ने इंडेक्स को उसके रीसेंट स्विंग लो और शॉर्ट टर्म मूविंग एवरेजेस यानी 20 और 50-डे EMAs के नीचे पुश कर दिया. द डेली RSI हैज गिवन अ बेरिश क्रॉसओवर एंड इट इज इन दी फॉलिंग मोड. आगे चल के गैप डाउन ओपनिंग को कंसिडर करते हुए 51,500 टू 51,400 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. अगर 51,400 लेवल के नीचे सस्टेनेबल मूव होता है तो शार्प करेक्शन 51,000 लेवल तक हो सकता है. उसके बाद शॉर्ट टर्म में 50,650 तक. ऊपर की तरफ रेजिस्टेंस 52,200 टू 52,250 लेवल के जोन में लोअर शिफ्ट हो गया है. On the derivatives front, December futures dipped by 1.34% and the cumulative open interest of the current, next and far series has surged by 7.74%, which indicates overall short buildup. The 52,500 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 53,000 strike. On the put side, the 52,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 51,500 strike. For the December monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.47. If we talk about the key market indicators, on Wednesday, the volatility index India VIX ended on a flat note. Going ahead, the zone of 15 to 15.5 will act as an immediate hurdle. The advanced decline ratio in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty CPSE, Nifty Oil and Gas, Nifty Auto, Nifty FMCG and Nifty PSE are likely to underperform in the short term. अगर हम एफ आई आई डी आई डेटा की बात करें, दी एफ आई आई सोल्ड टू द ट्यून ऑफ 1316 crore while the DI is bought to the tune of 4084 crore. The FII's long short ratio for index futures is at 34.86, and on a net basis they have sold 10,244 index futures contracts. On the stock futures front, FIIs have sold to the tune of 13,059 contracts, while on the options front, FIIs have sold 1,79,197 call contracts and 99,140 put option contracts. That's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.